Does the market split time evenly between bull markets and bear markets, or does one outweigh the other? Why do we spend more time worrying about market drops versus gains? Hi, my name is Griffin Sheehy, and I'm the portfolio manager here at Willow Creek. These types of questions about market drops and market gains bounce around constantly. In fact, it's impossible to not worry about markets even a little bit when you have money invested in stocks. A bull market is characterized by a gain of at least 20% from the previous trough. A bear market is the opposite, a 20% drop from the previous peak. Now that we have that cleared up, there has been almost an even split between bull and bear markets for the historical period 1926 through 2023 so far. Per research from Dimensional Fund Advisors, there's been 18 bear markets and 19 bull markets. Again, that's pretty even. The difference though is how long each lasts on average. Take a look at this graph. The average bear market for this period ranged from negative 21% to negative 80%, which is pretty large and lasted an average of 10 months. However, when looking at the bear markets in black, you notice the length and magnitude is substantially lower than bull markets in green. The average bull market for this period ranged from 21% to 936% and lasted for 52 months on average, over 5 times longer. So why don't bull markets feel more satisfying as investors? This is due to psychology and evolution. As human beings, we've been conditioned to associate pain as contrary to survival, so that when we experience pain, it feels much more potent than something positive. This is what has helped keep us safe and evolve as a species. This adaptation bleeds over into finance as well. Behavioral finance tells us that we also remember those negative times more vividly as well, which is probably why we tend to name these periods of time, for example, the dot-com bubble and financial crisis of 2008, to name a few. No one bothered to name one of the longest bull markets in history that started the following year in 2009, did they? The takeaway here is that a diversified approach and long-term view will help bring perspective in times when it feels like the world is caving in, or bear caving in for those that like puns. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.